video tutorial will provide you with instructions to remove the ransomware called Radiyu. In this video, I'll also attempt to help you decrypt your files, even though I cannot guarantee for sure that I will manage to do that. In my video, of course, is still only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware and will give you some recommendations from what I know on how to recover your data. So, before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your data without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So the ransomware reveals this ransom note. So the ransomware reveals this strange pop-up and it briefly tells you to basically pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Of course, don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. Now, I recommend you to immediately scan your system with the help of reliable antivirus program, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Go to this official website, download Combo Cleaner, install the program and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button and then begin researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will then begin investigating your device. The software has got anti-ransomware feature. Even though this feature does not decrypt files, it helps to remove the ransomware. It helps to protect your data from further ransomware attacks, but Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Nevertheless, it helps to effectively identify and get rid of this Radiyu ransomware. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. As you see, Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to identifying this Radiyu ransomware. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files. From what I know, the password to decrypt this ransomware is 43. But this may be changed by the ransomware developers so far.